All right, guys. It is a special day. Didn't even know these were coming down the pipe. I got a call from one of the guys at skate shop, and they're like, "Hey, I got a 13 and something I think you'll like, but you can't touch them or wear them until September 7th." Well, I said, "Okay." So it's September 7th, and let's do this, baby. Tissue paper, you say? No, 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 no. Woo-hoo-hoo, doggy. Look at these bad boys. First of all, what's that say, guys? New Balance Reynolds 480 or 480. Woo! Deep chocolate brown or dark chocolate with white New Balances. I believe this is like cow suede or something like that. Let's see, is there any facts about it? It's a 13. Woo! It's got the like off, I guess it's not white. It's like creamy, kind of almost like a creamy gray. It matches very well with the brown. And it also came with the brown shoelaces, which is probably what I'm gonna go with. But these are clean. Look at those bad boys. Nice. Nice slim profile. Now, I haven't seen the original Reynolds like in, 20 years, whatever, but I'm pretty sure, like, just going off of memory, doesn't that toe cap look like that's the old Reynolds, right? Right? Isn't that how I remember it? But yeah, I'm pretty hyped on these. Let's get them laced up, and then we'll see how they look. Okay, so start out going in. Get them lined up. So figure I've actually had people, adult males, ask me in the past how I do my laces up, and it's just a straight across. I'll show you how to do them. So you're gonna start with the shoelace going into the shoe, okay? You want them even. Then you're gonna take whichever one you want. You're gonna skip one hole and go through the outside, okay? So does that make sense? One hole skipped through the outside. You're gonna take the other one. You're not gonna skip a hole. And you're gonna go through the inside. Now the key is to make sure that your laces stay straight. So you take a little piece, make sure it's straight, go into the shoe again. In, from the outside in. You're gonna pull it up. Or pull it tight, whatever. And then you're gonna skip up a hole. Okay? You're gonna take that first one that we did that skipped the hole. You're gonna do the same thing. Go over to the outside and pull it to the inside of this shoe. See that? That's what it should start to look like. And you repeat the process, going up to whatever hole you want to go up to. All right. And there you go, boys and girls. That is one clean, wow! That is one clean looking shoe. Woo! Okay, now take out these New Balances. Insole, ooh. Hell, they even got a nice little insole for a stock insole. We're gonna take these bad boys, trusty FPs, stick those in there. I'll bring you guys, cowabunga, dude, down here. Oh, this is the first try. First try on. Didn't even try them on in the shop. Was like, nope, I'll take them. I will take them. Pull them a little tighter. There we go. Woo-hoo. See how they feel. Oh, those feel awesome. Look good, nice and narrow. Considering I'm wearing the Tiagos right now that just feel like they are getting broken in, and I'm like already over them. These feel like they're ready to go, ready to flick. Oh, I'm stoked on these. Well, probably got like another week in the Tiagos of skating. I got work this last weekend, so I didn't skate as much. But hang on. Woo-hoo-hoo. Clean. 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 Ugh. So, got a couple, like a week left in these probably. I'm really over them. Like, they look sick. I've wanted them for so long, the Tiagos that is, and they're just too big for me. Like, they're too clunky, and yeah, they're fully broken in, and I'm just not, every time I look down on them, down at them, they look huge on my foot. So really excited to skate these. Gonna give these like another weekend, but then be rocking these, and we will do an update on, you know, how they skate and everything. But right off the bat, feel amazing, look amazing. Definitely gonna go with the brown laces, but they do come with the cream or whatever. So hope you guys can get a pair, and I hope to see you guys in them. And thank you so much, Milo, for hooking me up with the 13s in these bad boys. Link in the description if you guys want to go check out the website for Milo. And yeah, all right, guys. Have a good one. Keep shredding. See you next time. Bye.